Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss a very small topic, that is pie chart. It will be important for standard 7 and 8 as well. So what is a pie chart? It is a graph that is represented by a circle and its sectors. Let me share the screen to explain you pie chart. Pie chart is also known as circle graph. So here we have a circle and we have its sectors in this way. So here O is the center of the circle and you can see that I have drawn 4 sectors. Suppose this circle represents the students of a school and the transport or the means by which they reach school. So one portion over here I am writing by school bus. This by walking. This sector by car and the other sector by cycle. So this graph shows the relationship between the whole of the circle and a part of it. The size of each sector is proportional to the information represented by it. So in order to draw a pie chart, we need the help of a formula through which the angle of each sector can be decided. Now the angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. So 360 degree has been divided into several sectors and the formula to be utilized is formula of a sector equals to value of an item by sum of values of all items into 360 degree. So here if the value of an item is known and sum of the values of all items are known, then we can very easily find the angle of each sector. Suppose the angle of each sector is known and sum of values of all items are also known, then value of an item can be found out. So out of these 3 terms that we see here, that is angle of a sector, value of an item, sum of all values of all items, any of these 2 things are suppose known, then the third can be found out. So this particular formula is very important to be remembered to do pie chart. So let me share some questions and help you to draw pie chart related to those questions. So friends, here I have a very good question and I hope this single example or question will help you to solve any problem in pie chart. Now here the question is, the following data represents the monthly expenditure of a family in rupees on various items. The items are given as food, house rent, education, savings, health and others. Expenditure 12,500, 5,000, 7,500, 10,000, 5,000 and 10,000. So you can see that for food the expenditure is 12,500, for house rent it is 5,000 and so on. So we need to represent this in a pie chart. Now before I draw the pie chart, I must convert these information in terms of angle at the center of a circle, that is angle for each sector. Now using the formula for angle of a sector equals to value of an item by sum of value of all items into 360 degree. Now if I find the sum of the expenditure column, if you add, you will find this will sum up to rupees 50,000. Okay. Now the first value of an item is 12,500 here for food. Now the first value of an item here is 12,500. So if I substitute here 12,500 and sum of all values, that is 50,000 rupees, into 360 degree, this will turn out to 90 degree. For the second item, 5,000 by 50,000 into 360 degree, this will turn out to 36 degree. The next 7,500 by 50,000 into 360 degree will turn out to 54 degree. Then 10,000 by 50,000 into 360 degree will become 72 degree. Then again for this one we will have 36 degree, and for the last one we will again have 72 degree. So I have found out the angle for each sector. Now let us draw the pie chart. I have to clean a portion of the screen to draw the pie chart here. So you have to take a compass first of all. With some radius, you have to draw the circle. So we have the center here, and I am drawing the radius of the circle. Just drawing one radius of the circle so that I can place the protector here. Now when I take the protector, children, you can see this is the center here, right? And this red line will help us to turn the angle through which we need a sector to be made. Let us place this center of the protector at the center of the circle. So here I have the center of the circle, you can see, and I have to place it in such a manner that the base line of the protector coincides with the radius, right? Now the first angle here is 90 degree. So what I have to do here is I have to rotate this point. That is, with your pencil you will count 90 degrees. So where have you started counting from? You have started counting from here. You see 0 here, not 180 degree. The 0, that is to the interior part of the protector, inner part of the protector. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, you can see 90 degree comes here. So this portion is to be marked, and you have to join the center with this part. So with this part you have to join the center of the circle. Now let me remove the protector and use a ruler to join the two points. So if I join from here to here, my 90-degree construction will be over. So here I have drawn one sector which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so this part is 90 degree. Next again we have to place the protector at the center and turn the protector so that the base line of the protector coincides with the other arm of the 90-degree angle. Just a minute. Okay, and now we need the next angle, that is 360 degrees. So if I start counting from here 0, 10, 20, 30, I don't need 360 degree but I need 36 degrees. So here you can see 36 will come somewhere here. So here I am drawing 36 degree and it is somewhere here. Okay, now removing the protector, I have to join it using a ruler. I'm just keeping the protector aside and joining this point with the center of the circle. So this is the other sector. Next again we have to place the protector at the center and the base of the protector has to coincide with the arm of the second sector. Next angle is 54 degrees. So starting from 0 here on top, you can see my cursor here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it has to go till 54 degree and I can see this is 51, 2, 3, 4. So over here. So let's remove the protector now and join with a ruler again this particular point with the center of the circle. So here the third angle is also over. Again we have to place the protector here at the center and the radius, that is one of the arms of the sector, has to match, has to coincide with the base of the protector. Okay, so now it has coincided and the other angle here I can see is 72 degree. So now 0 is on the left side of the screen, you can see this is 0 and if you go to 72 degree it has to come somewhere here. So 72 degree I can see here, 71 and 72. So the point is somewhere here. Okay, so we have the point somewhere here. So if I remove the protector now, so here this is the fourth sector over. Okay, next again we have to place the protector here at the center and let the base of the protector be collinear with the arm of one of the sectors. Next angle is 36 degree. Now 0 is here at the bottom, you can see, and we have to bring 36 degree over here. So it is somewhere here. Okay, so if I remove the protector and using a ruler, if I join, I will find 36 degree somewhere here. and the remaining part naturally has to be 72 degree because the total sum for the angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. Let me remove the protector now. So let me write down the angles for each sector here: 36 degree, 54 degree, then comes 72 degree, next 36 degree again, and then 72 degree. Each of these sectors can be colored with different colors to make it look attractive. So this can turn out to be blue, and if you look at the question, the first part represents food. The next part represents house rent. The next represents education. The next represents savings. Then the other part represents health. And the last part represents others. So each of these sectors can be colored to make it look attractive. I hope solution of this first question is clear to you. Friends, this is the second question. Here the pie chart is already given and you can see the angle of each sector is given, but the value of the individual items are not given. Let me read the question. The adjoining pie chart shows the number of students enrolled from class 6 to class 10 of a school. If 1440 students are enrolled from class 6 to 10, then answer the following. Number 1. How many students are enrolled in class 8? Number 2. How many students are more in class 9 than in 10? Number 3. What is the sum of students enrolled in 7 and 8? Part 4. Find the ratio of students enrolled in 6 to students enrolled in 10. So I need to find the number of students in each class. The total number of students in the school from class 6 to class 10 is given as 1440. Now for individual classes we have to find the number of students. So for that we will again use the formula angle of a sector equals to value of an item divided by sum of values of all items into 360 degree. So here for each of these angles given, let us find out the value of each of the items separately. So for that I have to clean a portion of the screen. So now for class 6, angle of this sector, that is 80 degree, equals to value, we don't know, value of an item. The value or the number of children is not known in that sector, but total number of children is known, 1440 into 360 degree. So if we evaluate this, we will get value of an item, or that is class 6 you can say, equals to 80 degree into 1440 by 360 degree. So this is equal to 320 students. Now for class 7, we again have value of an item equals to 70 into 1440 divided by 360. That counts to 280. For class 8, we again have number of students equal to 85 into 1440 divided by 360. I am removing the degrees because we have it both in the numerator and denominator. So this gives 340. Next, for class 9, we have 75 by 360 into 1440, that is equal to 300. And part for class 10, it is 50 degree by 360 degree into 1440. So 200 students. So we have got the number of students in each of the individual classes, and now we can answer the subparts here. Please see. Part 1. How many students are enrolled in class 8? So in class 8 we have calculated, answer is 340 students. Okay. So 340. How many students are more in class 9 than in 10? So in class 9 we calculated 300 students, class 10 we have calculated 200 students. So how many more in class 9? It will be 300 minus 200, giving us 100 students more in class 9. Part 3. What is the sum of students enrolled in class 7 and class 8? So in class 7 we have 280 students, right? And in class 8 we have 340 students. So this will sum up to 620. Next, the last one. Find the ratio of students enrolled in class 6 to students enrolled in class 10. So ratio means for class 6 we evaluated it as 320 students, and for class 10 we evaluated as 200 students. So this can be written in the simplest form as 8:5. So all the subparts have been answered, and you have also seen how the angle of a sector can be converted into value of an item. So these two particular questions discussed today, I believe, is sufficient to understand the concept of pie chart. So this much for today. Thank you. Stay safe. Good day.